In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove AIPRM for ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the AIPRM for ChatGPT extension from Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. Whether you no longer use the extension, want a cleaner browser, or simply prefer using ChatGPT without additional browser extensions, this process is quick and easy to follow. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to find your installed extensions and how to remove AIPRM completely from Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before continuing, make sure you're using the Chrome browser where the AIPRM for ChatGPT extension is currently installed. Once Chrome has finished loading, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. Next, locate the extensions icon, which is typically represented by a puzzle piece. Click this icon to open the extensions menu. This menu provides quick access to all the browser extensions currently available in your Chrome profile. If you've installed several extensions over time, this menu makes it much easier to manage them from one convenient location. After opening the Extensions menu, select Manage Extensions. Chrome will open a dedicated page displaying every extension currently installed in your browser. Here, you can view your extensions, adjust their settings, enable or disable them, or remove any that you no longer need. Take a moment to look through the list until you find AIPRM for ChatGPT. If you have many extensions installed, you may need to scroll through the page before locating it. Once you've found the extension, look for the Remove button associated with it. Click Remove to begin the removal process. In most cases, Chrome will display a confirmation dialog asking whether you're sure you want to remove the extension. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removal of browser extensions. When the confirmation window appears, simply click Remove once more to complete the process. After confirming your choice, Chrome will immediately remove the AIPRM for ChatGPT extension from your browser. Once it's gone, it will no longer appear in your extensions list or interact with your ChatGPT experience. This can help simplify your browser environment if you no longer rely on the extension. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the AIPRM for ChatGPT extension from Google Chrome and cleaned up your browser. The process only takes a minute and can be repeated anytime you want to remove other browser extensions as well. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.